The following presentation is a teaching by Avraham Emuna. In this video, I'm going to introduce the concept of the electric universe and the unity of God as it relates to UFO sightings and plasma orbs visible in the sky. The concept of an electric universe teaches us that cosmic phenomena are governed not only by gravity, but also by electromagnetic forces. This scientific model highlights the interconnectedness of all things in the cosmos, suggesting a vast, unified electric grid that links stars, galaxies, and even the subatomic particles that compose our world. Intriguingly, this idea resonates deeply with the Jewish understanding of divine unity, encapsulated in the phrase "God is one" found in the Jewish scriptures. This perspective invites a profound synthesis between modern science and ancient wisdom, illuminating the spiritual dimensions of the universe's electric architecture. For more on this, please see my video called "The Universe is the Mind of God." In my study of the electric universe model, I understand that electromagnetic forces form a dynamic network that connects the smallest atoms to the largest galactic structures. Electric currents travel through plasma, a state of matter that makes up more than 99% of the observable universe, forming vast filaments that thread through space. This vision of the universe as an interlinked and harmonious whole mirrors the Jewish understanding of creation as an expression of divine oneness, and is further displayed in the wisdom of Kabbalah and the structure of the Sephirot. According to Jewish thought, God is the ultimate source and sustainer of all existence, a single, indivisible force that permeates every aspect of reality. Just as the electric universe suggests a unified field where all things are connected, Jewish theology asserts that all of creation is bound together by God's sustaining presence. The electromagnetic grid of the cosmos can thus be seen as a physical manifestation of this divine unity. Furthermore, in my understanding, I perceive God as an architect, which also aligns seamlessly with the electric universe model. In Jewish thought, God is both transcendent and immanent, creating the universe and remaining intimately involved within it. This dual role is reflected in the intricate design of the electric cosmos, where order emerges from chaos and complexity arises from simplicity, just as electricity today is controlled and distributed in a vast network of grids. The Torah and Kabbalistic teachings describe God as the ultimate designer who imbues the universe with purpose and harmony. Similarly, the electric universe model suggests that the interconnected cosmic web is governed by fundamental laws, orchestrated with precision. This parallels the Jewish view that the natural world is an expression of divine will, with every atom, current, and star reflecting the Creator's wisdom. By now, you're likely asking the question, what does all this have to do with drones over New Jersey, UFOs, and flying orbs? I'm getting to that, I promise. The electric universe theory, quantum physics, and Jewish mysticism all suggest that the universe itself functions like a vast, interconnected consciousness, where information and energy flow seamlessly through its electric network. This idea resonates with the Jewish mystical belief in the unity of all souls and their connection to the divine source. In Kabbalah, all individual entities are viewed as parts of a single, greater whole, united by the light of the Creator. This light can also be thought of as a divine electrical current. This light is in essence the light of life, the electrical energy that animates every biologically living thing, as well as things that may appear living in the sky. In theory, that energy itself is a living, energized part of existence. From this perspective, the electric grid of the universe symbolizes not only physical connectivity, but also spiritual oneness, and defines the state of living. Just as electrons move through circuits, transmitting energy across vast distances, so too do divine energies flow through creation, linking all beings in a cosmic display of unity and interdependence. I suggest this flow of energy into and within the universe is part of the unidentified aerial phenomenon that has been witnessed by many. For generations, UFO sightings have been seen and caught on camera, but this is just part of the electric universe we are all part of. Some suggest we may be witnessing alien life, but in reality we are just witnessing the electric universe displaying its energy, which is itself a type of life form. As I've already suggested, this energy is itself the essence of life. A plasma orb filled with divine energy from the Creator is a type of life form that is interacting with the created order with a God-given purpose. Thus I see that the prevalence of plasma in the electric universe provides a compelling explanation for various unexplained aerial phenomena, such as UFOs, UAPs, or the sighting of glowing orbs in the sky. Plasma, the fourth state of matter, is a highly conductive medium that can generate luminous, dynamic displays when interacting with electromagnetic forces. These natural occurrences, often mistaken for extraterrestrial life, are likely manifestations of the electric universe's life-like plasma dynamics. Recent sightings, such as those in New Jersey, have drawn attention to glowing orbs that exhibit erratic and seemingly intelligent movement. While some of these phenomena may involve human-made drones or experimental technologies, the plasma-based nature of the electric universe suggests a natural origin for many of these sightings. Plasma orbs can appear alive, behaving like single-cell organisms as they interact with their environment, giving the illusion of high-tech spacecraft-type behavior. To an uninformed observer, these phenomena might resemble extraterrestrial entities, yet they are entirely natural expressions of the electric cosmos, an intricate part of God's creation. On top of the current prevalent observance of these plasma orbs in the sky, there is also a high possibility of drones being used to explore the phenomenon. This only adds to the aerial display. Many scientific research institutions are privately involved in the research of plasma, as plasma contains the potential for unlimited energy sources, for use in sustainable energy across diverse energy sectors, and also for potential use in military weapons. Both of these industries, exploring plasma and plasma fusion, would be very top secret and would likely not be made known to the public. This research may be what is taking place currently, but the real question is, why is the universe displaying an uptick in electrical energy right now that's observable to the naked eye? Are plasma orbs a result of something much bigger happening in the universe? Or perhaps we simply live in an Instagram and TikTok age where everyone is filming the sky and able to access the display instantly. In conclusion, the electric universe model and the Jewish idea of divine unity converge in their vision of an interconnected cosmos governed by a singular, sustaining force, a force of life that is energy itself. Science and spirituality, often seen as separate realms, find harmony in this perspective, revealing the universe as both a physical and metaphysical tapestry of connection and coherence, along with a display of electrical energy phenomena. Through the lens of Kabbalah and Jewish wisdom, we see a profound insight into the spiritual architecture of the electric universe, emphasizing the order, balance, and unity that underlie all creation. Similarly, plasma phenomena in the electric universe, including the luminous orbs that intrigue and mystify observers, reflect the beauty and complexity of a cosmos that is simultaneously physical, alive, and divine. As we explore these connections, we are reminded of the timeless truth. All things are one, bound together by the divine light of the Creator, who is both the architect and the essence of the electric universe. Thus, we profess that God is one. That is, God is all that there is. He alone exists, He is existence itself. The electric cosmos emanates from Hashem alone, and thus so does everything within it, including orbs over New Jersey. Thank you for watching.